Alright everyone, now let's move on to the practical parts with ChatGPT. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to get insights and video ideas using ChatGPT. Here in the chat, you can do the following. Send this prompt to it. Say something like, can you suggest 5 video ideas for a YouTube channel about, and here in this theme option, select your channel's theme. I'll use digital marketing as an example. I sent this message to ChatGPT and I received the following response. The first video idea for a channel about digital marketing that it suggested was Beginner's Guide to Digital Marketing, Key Strategies for 2024. Another idea was how to create a successful social media campaign. There's also best SEO practices, how to rank higher on Google in 2024, and so on. If it gets the year wrong, that's normal because ChatGPT has limited knowledge up to a certain date, and if it's outdated, you can update it. However, in the plus versions of ChatGPT, it stays more up to date. Another prompt you can send to ChatGPT to get insights and video ideas is, give me viral video ideas for a YouTube channel about, and here you fill in the theme as well as some more detailed characteristics about your channel. I'll fill it in with a channel about digital marketing. I make videos about affiliate marketing, paid traffic on Facebook ads, new trends, and much more. In addition to describing my channel's characteristics, I also described some types of videos I've recently made. I sent this prompt to ChatGPT and received the following response. The first idea is I tried TikTok ads for a week, a video where I could do an experimental video showing how I use TikTok ads and whether it's worth it or not. Hacks for Facebook ads, how to generate $10,000 in sales in 30 days with Facebook ads, and so on. If we look below, there are even more video ideas. So those were the video ideas I was able to generate with ChatGPT. Besides regular videos, you can also create variations of videos. You can make short videos like those on TikTok or Reels with a duration of 30 to 60 seconds. You can take the same prompt and modify it for a video on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, depending on the platform where you plan to publish it. Say something like, give me viral video ideas for a channel on TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts about, and describe your channel's theme and some more detailed characteristics. I'll put digital marketing and send this message to ChatGPT. There you go. These were the viral video ideas for YouTube Shorts that it suggested, quick tip to boost your Facebook ads performance, and many other ideas. Below, there's also a guide on how to structure this video. So, this is basically how you can use ChatGPT to get insights and video ideas as a content creator. This feature can be very helpful, especially if you're experiencing a creative block when producing new content.